the fact is that the indigenous people of the Northeast have been suffering. You have been raising issues on illegal migration in Bihar. In Assam, Hemanta Biswa Sarma has been talking about it. But when it comes to the other parts of Northeast, Nagaland, Meghalaya and our state of Tripura, nobody is doing so. We have signed a Tipra Accord almost 18 months ago, and we have been waiting for the final solution. Nothing is happening. We want to know what is the problem. And the third thing is that our demand for Greater Tipra land, which is a constitutional demand, nobody is talking about it, nobody is addressing it. The reason why we ask for a separate state is because we believe that the state administration in Tripura, whether it is BJP, Congress, CPM, they are never doing enough for the tribal people, the indigenous people. And that's why we are raising these demands. I'm also very thankful that the former national spokesperson, Minister of BJP, Munumo Kuikon from Nagaland, has come to express solidarity. I'm also very thankful that James Sangma, the National Working President of NPP, National People's Party, is also here in person to express his solidarity with the indigenous people of Tripura. And I believe that the Prime Minister is coming to Tripura, he's going to Manipur, he's coming to different parts of Northeast. He should address the illegal migration problem which is happening in Tripura. He should address our demand of why our Tiprasa Accord is not being met, and he should address why the indigenous people of Tripura, after 76 years, are still suffering in getting the basic demands met, because we believe that the state governments are not doing enough to protect the future and the survival and existence of our next generation, the next generation of our indigenous boys and girls.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.